is its uniqueness. Each plank can feature details never to be repeated again. Natural knots, cracks and colour variations in timber make wood floors hugely distinctive. And a beautifully refined look can also be achieved with less natural character. To choose your floor, you'll need a little understanding of our wood grades. Each category defines the level of character and detail you can expect. So, getting to grips with the differences will help you make the right choice and discover your ideal style. Our flooring is separated into 3 distinct grades: Select, Rustic and Extra Rustic. Select, our most refined grade of wood flooring, still with knots, grain and colour variations, but kept to a minimum for a beautifully mellow look. Rustic, the all-rounder. It balances more grain, shades, sapwood, large knots, dark streaks and filled cracks with a sublime natural character. Extra Rustic, the showman, featuring an almost limitless array of knots, splits, cracks and turns. This is our most distinctive choice. To discover more